everyone. This is always from the company, and today I want to introduce our latest price lights that AI building machine for you. And as you can see, this machine comes with two handles. The first one is the face treatment handle, and another handle is for the body treatment handle. Okay. And this screw is a 10.4 inch touch screen design. And as you can see, the screen is carried up. And click here to start to the treatment interface. Now let me show you the machine interface introduction. As you can see, the first one is the face treatment interface, and we are using this handle. And the second one is the body treatment interface, and we are using this handle. And here are the needles to choose. The first one is the 12 pin, is this one, and the 24 pin is this one, and the third pin is the 40 pin is this one, and the last one is the nano is this one. When we enter to this interface, and you can see here is the prompt is appear, so it means we need to sweeping the cards just like this. The card we need to sweep in this place. Okay, then it's okay. And then adjust the parameter here. This one is the treatment time. You can adjust according to your client's situation and the treatment intensity. The maximum is 300 watts, and the depth, the treatment depth, the maximum is 7 mm. And here is the treatment model. Now it's single model and a repeat model. Here is to record the remaining time of the car. Okay. Now let's stand by the machine. This machine, we need to combine the foot pedal to starting the machine. So let's see the effect. Now it's the repeat model. This is the repeat model treatment. It means one tight press, it will come with two tight needles. Let's change to the single model. Now it's single model. Let's see the difference. So this is the single treatment model. Let's see again. Okay. Now let me show you how to change the needle. As you can see, it's very simple. And insert it tightly, then it's open. Now let's go into the next part is the face treatment operation. Choose this interface. And just we are install the nano pin, so choose the fourth needle. Start just the treatment time. According to your client's situation, such as now is 1 hour. And the intensity. The face intensity is 200 watts maximum. And the depth in the treatment model, single, repeat. And here is to save the client's treatment information. You can save. Okay. And also we need to combine the foot pedal to use. So this is the single treatment model of the nano pin. Let's change to the repeat model to see the difference. Now it's changed to the repeat model. Okay, this is the repeat model showing. And now the machine introduction is coming to the end. If you have any machine questions about this machine, please feel free to contact us on Alibaba or our website. See you next time. Bye-bye.